Okay, but can we give a round of applause for Tuiga Dance Academy? Woo!
tama maohi ia oe te tama maohi.
Okay, next up we have the talented Silvana Williams and Giles Music, who will sing a few songs for us. Yes, they're very talented and they're from our very own backyard. So can we give them a round of applause? Woohoo!
Hello. Hey guys, how everyone's doing? I hope you guys had a good day at work. Thank you for coming here today. Hope you guys enjoy yourself. Going to be singing a few songs for you guys. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
See, I've been caught up at the bar, drinking away all my pain. I feel like I've done lost enough. Hey, I feel I can't even maintain. Cause the weight of the world on my shoulders, feel like everything keeps getting worse. Feel like the last couple of years I've been living life with a curse. Tell me, how can I live happily with all this happening? I just can't trust the one. It happens after another. Drinking all my troubles in regrets, wasting my time. Somebody tell me what is left. Seems like the only thing to do is to follow my feelings, which is drowned at the bottom of the bottle. See, I'm a little drunk, I'm a little tipsy, screaming at the top of my lungs. For some reason nobody can hear me. So here I stand all alone, nowhere to call my own, trying to hold it down. Somebody tell me, how can I live happily with all this happening? I just can't trust a man. It happens after another.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you know the song, sing along.
Some days I feel like I don't wanna give anything, 'cause I carried myself of all the pressure. And every day life seems to get the best of me. I just gotta keep going forward. I get scared, I try to find my own way, and I find myself running back to you. Running, and even though I can see you, I feel you near, and I can hear you whisper softly in my ear. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Have no fear. Many nights I was left alone, figuring, wondering why I could feel so alone, even though that I believed that you loved me. Ooh, I get scared when I try to find my own way, and I find myself running back to you. Running, and even though I can't see you, I feel you near, and I can hear you whisper softly in my ear. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear, I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Have no fear. Thanks.
Take my hand and don't let go. I'm addicted to your love. But if you should know how my love goes, then baby stay close. Take my hand and don't let go. I'm addicted to your love. But if you should know how my love goes, then baby stay close. You will never have to worry to wipe the tears from your eyes. As long as you by my side, you won't shed no tears, 'cause everything will be just fine. As long as you don't let go, don't let go. Don't let go. Everything will be just fine as long as you stay by my side. Then don't let go. Take my hand and follow me. Follow. I take it down the path so you can see what this truly means. You are my queen, I'm down on my knees. I'm here to serve you, my dear love. Anything you ask, baby, is done. I'll cater to you. Anything you need, baby, please. As long as you don't let go, don't let go. Oh, don't let go. Ooh, everything will be just fine as long as you stay by my side. Don't let go. Thank you.
A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family and each other. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try to tell me find a man on my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk out that door. 'Cause tonight is the night for feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
We're gonna do a little something called MMB. So with our academy, we do MMB. So it's pretty much like a warm up for our kids. So we just teach our students basic techniques of Siva Samoa. And so we're gonna get our students to be showing you guys. So if you're keen to jump in, please come through and make lines over here. Any takers? Come. Yeah. Come on. Getting ready for our MMB. Can we have some girls on this side and the boys and men on this side? Ladies and gents. Come one, come all. Can we have you on this side? Any males? Wanting to? Who do we have? Yeah. Elijah? Yeah. Jordan? Yeah. Come. You guys were also part of TDA, so you can help. Who else do we have?
Check, one check. Hey. Time for love, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the little MMB. Up next, can we have a representative from Atahua Jewelry just to come up and to explain what they're about, who they are, and where they come from. Thank you very much.
Kia ora koutou katoa, ko reo moana rāpuna toko ingoa. Mangere born and raised. Mangere Central School, Beta Intermediate, Mangere College. I've been making and selling jewellery for over 25 years now. And being here on these Thursdays is quite precious to me because this is where I first started selling my jewellery. It was 25 years ago in the centre of the Mangere town centre, in a little ring of tables right here. I had my jewellery safety pinned to a tablecloth, and there were some other older ladies selling frilly pillowcases and biscuits and things, and I was a young buck and now I'm not. But I feel very proud and I feel very humbled to be back here over the evolution of my jewellery and my craft. And I think I've come a long way from when I started stringing little glass beads on dental floss to now using top quality things, Swarovski crystal pearls, and the things that I've learned and the things that I've been taught by the people I do markets with, like the fellow members of the Nation Collective that I'm here with tonight, Ems and Marlena as well, and my partner. The point of a collective is the point of a community. We all support each other. We put our ideas together and we grow as a community and as a group. And I firmly feel in this life that's the way forward. That no man is an island. So I'm here tonight to give back to the community that raised me and to carry on being part of it because it's precious to me. Community doesn't just instantly happen because you live next door to someone. Community has to be created, it has to be worked on, it has to be shaped, it has to be built and grown. It doesn't happen just out of nothing. It takes the people that are part of the community to grow it, and that's why we're all here, because we're all trying to grow that community. And I love to see it, and I love to see it continue, and I love to continue being a part of it. Thank you very much. Kia ora tātou katoa.
Thank you. Can we get another big round of applause for Atahua Jewelry? Okay, don't go anywhere just yet. We do have Tuiga Dance Academy coming up next. Let's go!
Hey!
Let's give TDA another big round of applause, please. Okay, as the performers have their little break, we're just gonna get up and do some Zumba. Okay, let's go. So if you're comfortable, if you wanna let loose, come onto the dance floor. We'll get our students to do our Zumba. Let's go. Be scared, don't be scared, hold them on, hold them on. There we go. Let's get ready to rumble. Yep. If your mates are being loud, if you want to move, you want to get down with it, let's go. To the middle of the stage. Here at Mangere Town Center. Let's go. Hey. And we're going right. And we're going right. And we're going right. And we're going right. Let's go. Hey. Yep. Hey. Hello everyone, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little Zumba. We're just going to go on a little 5-minute break. We're just going to let the music play just so our performers can get some rest, and then we'll be back for our final performance. Whaftai lava.
Thank you.
Sound of love, everyone, and we are back for our final performance here at Mangere. We're just going to end off our day with Tuiga Dance Academy for the final time.
Lay on the
Show everyone, give a big round of applause for Tuiga Dance Academy. Okay, before we round up our festivities for today, we're just gonna get everyone back up onto the dance floor, and you guys are gonna show off your amazing skills you guys learned during MMB. Mind, movement, and body. Everyone, come up. We're gonna play a song. You're just gonna have your own little movement, your own little tauruma. Let's go. Come up, come up. The ones that talk, the girls that talk to you guys, anyone come up? You might get $5 for the records. See you notice? Yup, come up, yup. Yup, shut. Up. round of applause for Tuiga Dance Academy. And we want to thank everyone for coming out today, especially our small local businesses. If you weren't here, come next week.